Hi, good evening, students. In today's video, I'm going to solve May-June 2019 paper, and we will start with the documentation production. Okay, so we choose the component which is 22. Okay, now let us start. Okay, open the file J229 evidence.rft. Make sure that your name, center number, candidate number will appear in all pages of the document. Save this evidence as a J229 evidence and 999. All right, so now let's go to our support file folder. Now we have to open our support file folder. All right, click on enable editing, insert. I'm going to put in footer. The number is IN 123. Candidate number is 1234. All right. So this is done. Now let me minimize this. All right. So now let's go to the next task. Okay. You are going to edit a report for Tawara Cruise. The company uses a corporate house style for all the documents. Paragraph style must be created. Here, student, they are asking us to create the all styles. All right. Edit and apply the report as instructed. All right. So now open the file j 229 cruise.rft. Okay. So we will go to our support file folder. Now J29 229 cruise.rft and click on enable editing. This is our document. Okay, so now let's go to the question paper. Okay, the page setup is set to A4 landscape orientation with 2 centimeter margin. Do not make any changes. So we will not change anything here. Save the document in your work area as a TC TC report. Okay, all right. So TC report. So now let me highlight this. All right. So now we need to change the format type we used to. We will use a suitable software, which is Microsoft Word. So now I will go to File, Save As, and in my support file folder, and this is the file name and with the document, and then save it. All right. So now we save it. Place a screenshot, show your evidence in the document. Okay, so in your evidence file. All right. So now what I will do, I will go to file, save as again. Okay. Just to take a screenshot. All right. So now Windows plus print screen you can press and save this in your evidence file. Save as. And here we go. This is our first evidence. All right. Done. Now let's go to the next question. Place in a header automated page number left align. Okay, in header, automated page number left align, a right align automated date field to display today's date, which would be in DDMMYY format. All right. So now we will go to header first. Okay. So now where is our document? Here we go. So insert header. Okay. So now in header, what they are asking us to do first is the automated page number left align. Okay, so now we will go to page number at the top of it, left align. All right, we got it. Now next, right align, automated date. Okay, field with today's date format. All right, so right align. So use tab option. You can use tab. Okay, and then go here and put today's date. Okay, so we have this. We'll go to quick parts because date in a different format. They are asking us to insert. So the format is in DDMMMYY. So here we go. Yes, DD. Is it a minus sign between? Yeah. So here, student, you can see this is DDMMYY format. So take a screenshot of date field codes showing the format used. Okay. So now use place this in your evidence file. Okay, so now let me add the date first. Okay, this is how the date would be. All right. So now I'm just aligning it to make sure it is properly aligned. All right. So now done. All right. So now this is done. We need to take a screenshot showing the field codes. Okay. All right. So that we will do at the end. Place in a footer name, center number, and candidate number, center align. Okay. So now we will go to insert in footer. Okay. I'm going to put this in center align. What they are asking us to put here, name, center number, and candidate number. Okay. So now here name ABC, center number IN123, candidate number is 1234. All right. So anything else we need to add here? Nothing. Okay. So now we remove this. We don't need this and this. All right. So now let me show you how to show the field code student. So there are two options. One option is you can use Fn plus F9 is the shortcut command, or else Alt Fn plus F9. Once you press this, you will get this field codes. Okay. So now DD, MMM, YYY format. You can clearly see here. You can take a screenshot and paste in your evidence file. So let me take the screenshot. Windows plus print screen. Okay. Now this is my field code. So now again Fn plus Alt and F9. Go back to normal mode. So now let me paste it here in my evidence file. Done. So now next, let's go to the next question. Create and store the following styles basing each of the default paragraph style. Okay, so now let's do it. The first title or the first file name they are asking us to create is TC subtitle. All right, okay, TC subtitle they are asking us to create. Okay, so now we will go here. Now we will go to our style manager. Okay, and new style, and the new style first student you need to make it as a normal. Okay, and style based on normal, and the style name is, what is the style name? First is TC subtitle. Okay, so now let me type TC subtitle. Okay, so is it yeah, subtitle, and font is sans serif. Sans serif is Arial. Next is font size is 18. So now let me make it as 18. And then alignment is right. Okay, it is right align. And then enhancement is underline. So let me mark it as an underline. Okay, and then single line spacing. Okay, so now we will go to format, paragraph, and make it as a single line spacing default, and make space before and after is 0. So now done. So now here we got it our first TC subtitle. Student, you don't have to worry this. Okay, we will, once we apply the body, it will change again. Okay, now next is TC subheads. All right. So now let's me create the TC subheads. Okay. So we will go to new style again. Avoid this error also. Select any empty space. All right. And now create a new style, which is again, it should be a normal or default. Okay. Default or normal. You can choose anything. Control VTC subheads. Okay. Sans serif is Arial. We'll go to Arial, and then font size is 18, 18, and then center align. Okay, bold and italic. So bold and italic. Next, single line spacing. So I will go to format, paragraph, and it should be single line spacing. And then what I have here, single line before and after is 6. So before is 0 and after is 6. So make it as a before 0 and after is 6, and then press OK. And then OK. Now we're done with the second part. Next. Okay, again, we'll go down and create a new style. Okay, so now TC body. So we will go here. First of all, we need to make this as a normal or default, and then TC body. What is the sheriff funds? Means sheriff is times New Roman. Okay, and then we have font size which is 10. So 10. Okay, and then we have uh, justified. Okay, justified, and then none. Okay, so now where is enhancement? We need to none. Okay, and then single line spacing. So format paragraph, single line spacing, and after is six. After is six, and then press OK. Then OK. So done. So now this is done. This is only 10. Now TC table. The last part is the TC table. Okay, so we will go to again new style, make it as a default and normal, and TC table. Okay, what are the specifications? Sheriff is times New Roman and 11 and center. Okay, so this is 11 and center align. Next, single line spacing and 0, 0. Okay, so now paragraph spacing is single and 0, 0. Press OK and then press OK. All right, so now TC table is done. Take a screenshot of showing the styles setting have been defined for TC subhead. Okay, so TC subhead, right click, modify. So this is our TC subhead. Okay, where we apply the bold and italic. So now take a screenshot, Windows plus print screen. Now you can take the screenshot and paste in your evidence file. Press OK, go here, and this is your card evidence. Perfect. Now let's go to the task again and the question paper. The style name TC title has already been created, stored, and applied. Modified it. Okay, so now TC title, right click, modify. So now I have TC title. Now what kind of modification? First is the font style, which is sans serif, is Arial. So now I will go here, make it as Arial. Next is font size is 32. So font size is 32. It is okay. So now let me make this as a 32. All right. Next, alignment is center. This is should be center align. Next is bold and italic. Bold and italic. Remove the underline. Next is single line spacing and 0, 0. So next is go to format paragraph, and then this should be not double. This should be single, and make this as a 0, 0. All right, and then press OK. So these are the changes we did. So now take the screenshot. All right, so now Windows plus print screen. Take a screenshot like this and paste in your evidence file again. Press OK. So here we go. This is our code evidence. Done. Yep. So now let's go to the next task. Display this custom style name as a list in your style manager. Organize, provide a screenshot. So now let me take a screenshot of my style manager. Okay. All right. So this is done. V. All right. So now this is also done. Next. Okay. Let me go to the question paper. Okay. Now below the title, add a subtitle produced by, add your name. So where is my title? Here we go. This is my title. Below the title. Okay, so now press just enter, go up and type produced by. Okay, so now let me bring this to center align and PRODUCE, produce by. Okay, so this should be your name. Okay, they're asking your name ABC. All right, so now apply TS subtitle to the style. Okay, so now let me select this and apply subtitle. Perfectly fine. Next, apply TC body to the rest of the document. So now let me select the rest of the document and TC body. All right, perfectly fine. Now done. Next, change the page layout so that the subheading overview, where is, yeah, here. So now, and the following text display in three column equal width of 1 centimeter between the columns. Okay, so now from overview till the bottom, let me select the whole stuff. Now go to layout and go to column, more column, three column, and spacing is 1 centimeter. Okay, and then press OK. Perfectly fine. So now here we go. Now this is our document. Apply a bullet to the list of items from shore excursion to specially restaurant. Where is it? Here. So now to the restaurant application. Now they are asking us to apply a simple bullet list. So now here we go. This is the bullet list done. The bullet are aligned to the left margin. Okay, let me align this to be left margin. All right, perfectly fine. The bullet list is in a single line spacing, no space between each line. Okay, so now let me select this, right click, paragraph, single line spacing, no space, and then okay, perfectly fine, done. There is a 6 meter space after the list, so let me select the last list, right click, paragraph, after is 6, and then press OK. So here you see the changes, perfectly fine. Identify the 7 subheadings in the document and apply TC subhead style. Okay, so 7 subheads. So subhead 1, our feet, subhead 2. Next is sustainability commitment, subhead 3. Next 7 total. Okay, so cruise pricing. So this is also subhead, right? Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the future 5, and then we have theme cruises. So 6. Now where is the last one? Need to find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 4, 5, 6, and then this is the last one. Leisure cruise. All right. Fine. Okay. So you can just adjust it so that you can bring it on the top. Okay. So now this is done. Next, use the data in the file J229 sats.csv. Create a vertical bar chart. All right, guys. So we are going to use the vertical bar chart. Okay. We're going to design a vertical bar chart using this spreadsheet. Okay. And the year should be 2014 to 2018 only. Okay, so now let me go to my support file folder, and where is it? So J229 sats. All right, so now this we have here now. Now next. Okay, so let me open it. Okay, so now only for they ask us to create from 2014 to 2018. Okay, so now so create a bar chart. So now let me select this value and go here and press. Perfectly fine. So now what else they are asking us to do? Okay, label the chart as a annual growth. Title would be annual growth. So here this is the control V, annual growth. Next, what they are asking, the value accesses will be passenger. Okay, the value access will be passenger. Okay, so now let me go to the chart and the value access. Okay, access title here I have. So where is the vertical one? Yep, here. So now this value access, this particular value access, they ask us to make it as a passenger, right? Okay, so let me copy from here and then control V, passenger, done. Next, display the value as a data label. So now you need to just simply click and add data labels. Perfectly fine. Next, Anything else? Do not display the legend, so there is already no legends. This values, let me select the data, edit this, and then press OK. And then here we go. So now this we got 2014, 2015 and 2016. Here we go. Perfect. Okay, now so we have this. Now next, format the value accesses. Okay, the minimum will be 5,000 and the maximum is 13,000. Okay, so select this, right click, format accesses, and the minimum is how much? They asked us to put 5,000. So let me make this as a 5,000. Okay, so instead of this I make it as a 5,000, and the maximum will be, I'm going to keep it as 13,000. All right, so done. So this is also done. So minimum is 5,000 and maximum is 13,000. Increment is 2,000 they are asking. So we'll go to format accesses, and the increment measure will be not 1,000, it is 2,000. Increment will be 2,000, and then press OK. Okay, so now 5, 6, 7. So you can see the increment here. Perfectly fine. So now what next? Let me go to the question paper here. Insert the chart at the paragraph ending over the past 5 years. Okay, so now we will go to our Word. Okay, let me close this, Control F. So now let me press this over the past 5 year. Yeah, we got this. Now press enter, and we need to copy this, Control C, and paste it here, Control V. Perfectly fine, done. Next, what I need to do next here, make sure that the chart and display within a column width. Yes, it is perfectly fit in the column. All data should be fully visible or display fully visible. Yes, it is perfectly fine. Now import the image, which is J229 ship. Okay, where I need to import it, the place subheading called our feet. So where is this our feet? Here I will click just near the V and then go to insert picture from this device. Okay, all right, so now I will go to my desktop. Okay, so where is my support file folder? So this is 2019 folder. Yeah, here we go. Now the image is ship inserted. Yeah, perfectly fine, and done. And resize it width to 2.5 centimeter. Expected ratios, right click, format picture. Okay, right click, sizing and positioning, and width is how much? 2.5 centimeter, 2.5 cm, and then press OK. Perfectly fine. Next, it is aligned to the left margin and top of the, we separated it. Yes, it is there. Text wrap around the image. So around the image means square I'm going to use. So this is perfectly fine. Done. Now save your document file name as a, with the file name as a step 1. So file and then save. Okay, done. Next, printout. So the final part is they are asking us to take the printout. So Tawara Cruz planning to publish the annual report data in the company wiki, evaluate the sustainability. Okay, so this is the evaluation part. You can write in your evidence file. Okay, so here we done. So perfectly fine. So let me close it and show you. Yeah, this is our final document. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. Dear student, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you very much.